Welcome back to Cent Crypto. It is November the 26th, 2019, 3:15 p.m. Eastern Time, BTC 7083 on Bitstamp. In today's content, we're going to focus on the macro level. We're not going to talk about the macro level. We're going to go for another live stream just about what's going on and the pullback we're anticipating from BTC up to 8800, 8500. We're going to talk about that later on for our next live stream. But for this live stream, guys, we're just going to focus on the macro level. We're going to talk about the bottom for BTC, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and a possible pullback from Ripple XRP up to 80 cents. Okay, I've been talking about that pullback from Ripple XRP for the longest now. And when Ripple XRP dropped down to 21 cents, 23 cents last month, something like that, we said Ripple going to pull back to 32 cents. We did that exactly, and we say we're going to double bottom at 21 to 22 cents. We even broke 21 to 22 cents, hit 19 cents. Now we're looking for a strong support from that area before the pull, before another pullback, a very massive big breakout to the upside from Ripple XRP. So this might be the last chance we see Ripple XRP under 20 cents. It's not a financial advice, so make sure you do your own due diligence, you do your own research before you buy or sell your Ripple. Okay, it's not a financial advice, but I've been saying it for the longest now. It's been almost like 12 months, okay, since like we hit over 12 months since like we hit 80 cents, and it's about to be time to even go above 80 cents and probably hit like $1.20, right? So but we just have to be extremely patient and basically wait for the right time basically to take profit. But I don't think it's the right time to take profit for Ripple XRP right now. Okay, even though the price is so low, even if you bought at 19 cents, it's not a lot. 19 to 22 cents is not good enough in crypto, right? So let me take a look at the chart room before we talk about the bigger picture for BTC. In regard to BTC, we talked about it multiple times when BTC was 13,000. We said BTC is headed to 5,700 to 5,500, but we almost at 57 to 5,500. We hit 6,500. That was our medium-term target in our premium group, right? But we're about to get a strong pullback to a upper level of 8,800. But we're not going to talk about that in this live stream. We're just going to focus on the macro level, and then we're going to talk about the entire move of BTC from like almost $1 all the way up like to $20. That's the most important right now. Any move we get right now is just noise, but the real accumulation area for BTC is exactly roughly around 1,700. And why it is 1,700? If you take a look at the entire structure of BTC from roughly 150 all the way up to $20,000, you take your fib retracement tool, swing low to swing high, you guys can see BTC pull back exactly at 382. We talked about this, guys, over like back in August, September, right? We said like BTC pulled back all the way down to 382, and if you take a look at 382 was exactly right at 31, roughly 31.50 to 31.22, and BTC bottom exactly in that area. After the bottom at 3100, you can see we pulled back all the way up to 14K, and 14K was not a random number. 14K was, if you take your Fibonacci retracement tool, take a look at 14K. 14K was exactly at 0.786. It is quite incredible. 14K was exactly, so we nailed BTC at 3,100. Okay, we said BTC has, December 15, guys, we said BTC bottomed. Okay, I got the videos and everything. With December 15, I told you buy BTC, $5 worth of BTC every single week. Okay, June 23rd. Okay, June 23rd, 24th. We made a video and said 14K is the easiest target to hit. Okay, easiest target. BTC was like $11,000-$12,000. Okay, we said 14K was the easiest target to hit. We hit 14K, and we said, guys, we're going down to $2,000, okay, 20K or $2,000. All right, so all those videos in my YouTube channel, if you want to watch it, just go and search it, BTC, you know, 20K or $2,000. So now we hit 5,500, which was, we hit like 6,500, which was like our medium term target, 6.5 to 6.6 before we hit 57. Now we're just gonna focus on a long-term view, okay, long-term view. So basically, we're respecting all these fib levels, okay, we're respecting all these fib levels, okay. The next major fib retracement we want to focus to, right, we want to focus on is like this area, guys, this 50% pullback, all right, 50% pullback, not 0.618, okay. We're not going to talk about 0.618 because 0.618 is going to be like roughly like a 980, roughly around $1,000, okay. We're not going to focus on that yet. We're just going to focus on this next fib level, which is going to be 50% pullback, 1704, okay, depending how you draw your Fibonacci, but give or take, you can just say 1800 because it's not going to be a big deal, right? So that's the next area we're going to be paying attention, you know, not 3K, not 55, not 2,000, not 2,500, but $1,700 BTC, okay. That's the first time you're gonna hear somebody telling you basically gonna drop down to $1,700, right? So keep that in mind. Put this video in your playlist. Maybe like in the next 6 to 18 months, you're gonna go back and watch it, all right? And make sure to share it, like it, and be prepared for these crazy prices, all right? If you guys not familiar with our channel, make sure to join our public Telegram group. We talked about all these scenarios when BTC was 1,300. I told, 13,000. We said, you know, guys, we're going to be going to some crazy numbers, so make sure to take profit at, you know, above 13K, because 14K going to be the top. All right, so now we're giving the public, a big heads up to be ready for these crazy prices, right? So you gotta pay clear attention, right? So this 1,700, guys, is I'm pretty much very conservative, because I'm not even taking the entire move from like $1, okay. That's gonna be like extremely crazy to say like BTC gonna be dropping down all the way down to like $600, okay. So even if we go back and analyze the previous bull market, you take a look at the previous bull market, swing low from $1 almost to swing high, you can see BTC pull back at basically 236. 236 is a very strong Fibonacci retracement. Most likely, if you don't break it, you're gonna continue another bull market. But the previous bull market, like from 150 up to $20,000, we also got a strong pullback. We got a strong support from 382, okay, 236, excuse me, okay. You can see 236, strong pullback, all right, strong support, okay. After we pull back to 236, you can see we've been moving sideways. That's a 6K level. Most people are not paying attention to the macro level, because it was pretty normal for most of us to say 6K was a bottom, because you can see 236, 6,500 level, we respected it. Where did we come back to? 6,500, okay. You can see same exact line, not 6K, but the macro level, the 236 of the macro level, that's where we're bottoming. If we break it, guys, we don't have anything in between, okay. 5,500 going to be like a medium term, target. We're going to move sideways couple months, couple weeks, but the real target going to be 3K, okay. Just for the micro level, just wanted to give you a heads up. Nothing is between is we don't have any support. The next support we got is like a 3,000 level, and after that we're gonna head down to like a 1,700. Those are the two numbers we need to pay attention. 57 is just noise, 55 is just noise, 4K noise, all of them, they're just noise, guys. We don't need to waste our time talking about BTC on the macro level about like a 5,500, because it's gonna break it. It's gonna keep going down all the way down to 1,700. All right. Hey, what's up, Andrew? What's up, Jason? So we're gonna move on to the next coin. Which one it is? Litecoin, guys. When Litecoin was $100, guys, I told you Litecoin gonna be dropping. So that move to 107 was just a fake out, pure fake out. Okay, we're gonna talk about Litecoin on a macro level also, right? When you take a look at Litecoin, beautiful chart, okay, beautiful chart, similar to BTC. Okay, and you take a look at Litecoin from the previous bull market, just about like a $2 all the way up to $360. we pull back at 50%, all right? Because Litecoin moves faster than BTC. BTC pulled back right around like a 236 and 382, but Litecoin pulled back at a 50% pullback, which was like a roughly around like a $20 to $30, right? But you can see the next level Litecoin gonna retrace down to. It is gonna be like almost depending how you draw your Fibonacci, Litecoin gonna retrace down almost to $10, guys, like a $16 to $10 range. Okay, so give or take. But you can see 50% pullback was exactly, you know, like a $30, but we broke below it, you know, because of market volatility. It's gonna drop down. So that's why I'm thinking like $10 Litecoin, even though the fib retracement is saying $16, but I think like $10 gonna be the price we could be buying Litecoin at, right? So keep that in mind. Next Fibonacci retracement for BTC, 50%. Next Fibonacci retracement for Litecoin, 0.618 at $16. But let's look for $10 Litecoin, right? Or even lower, right? And we call for this number like since Litecoin was like $100, yeah, we're calling for Litecoin $10. So it's not like we just stop dropping, right? And we call for these crazy numbers, right? So make sure to hit the like, guys, and join our public Telegram group. And you know, if you want to upgrade to our premium member, where you get these crazy analysis and be ready for the next bull market, you can just join our premium member. Okay, we go for live stream, private live stream, daily analysis. We talk about candlesticks. We talk about scalping strategy. We talk about volume. We talk about moving averages. We talk about Elliott wave. Basically, what you get in our group, both public and premium, you get the combo, guys. You get the combo. You get everything in one package. Everything. You just don't get Elliott waves. You just don't get Fibonacci. You just don't get a pattern. You just don't get a moving averages. You get everything at once. Okay, only Send Crypto can give you those kind of stuff, guys. You cannot find anyone out there. Okay, anybody, you can find anyone giving you like all these techniques at once, all of them at once, guys. So make sure to join our public Telegram group if you want to upgrade for those skills. You can. If you're not, if you don't, you can just stay in the public Telegram group. I'll still give you guys, live stream, conversation, and all of that stuff, right? Okay, Andrew, I'm gonna answer your question. Let me just focus on this one next. Next one we're gonna talk about is Ethereum, guys. When you take a look at Ethereum, beautiful chart also, beautiful guys, beautiful chart, man. If you bought Ethereum at a dollar and sold it at 1400, you would be extremely happy. But most of us gonna get a chance to buy Ethereum under $100, and I said when Ethereum was like 280, Ethereum gonna drop 50%, guys. Guess what? What's 280 divided by 2, guys? We drop all the way down to $1.30. Okay, $1.30. So take a look at the Ethereum chart. We pull back similar to Litecoin. Ethereum pull back from the entire move now. Okay, from the entire bull run from $5 all the way up to 1400. We pull back at 50% pull. We got a 50% pullback, guys. 50% pullback, exactly, guys. So these numbers are not random. Where did we pull back? Where did we push back? We basically get another pushback all the way up to 236, the previous support, which was like almost $400, 388 range. So you can see now we're dropping all the way down. Okay, we're dropping all the way down, but this area of like roughly $80 to $90 most likely not gonna hold, guys. The next Fibonacci retracement for Ethereum is like $47. Okay, and we called for all these numbers, guys. All these numbers we called it long time ago. So but most people still believe like Ethereum gonna go to like a $5,000. I believe so, but not now. We're gonna get the bottom first at 0.618. We might get a bottom. If not, we're gonna be going all the way down to 0.786, which is like roughly like a $20 Ethereum. Okay, $20 Ethereum. I know all these numbers, they sound pretty crazy, but you have to think about it, guys. This market is very speculative. Okay, nothing out there is telling you Ethereum gonna go to like a 5,000. I believe it will. Okay, I strongly believe Ethereum gonna dominate the market. But as up to now, the chart is not calling for those crazy numbers. Okay, $3,000 Ethereum, 1400, 1500. The chart is not calling for. So we just gotta open up gotta be very open-minded and take a look at the chart. Forget about the fundamentals and stay with the chart, and then you're gonna see the big picture. Okay, you're gonna see the big picture. I was bullish when Ethereum was $80. I was calling for Ethereum $300, guys. If you go on my trading view, you check out all my December 2018, November 2018, December 2018 articles. You can see me calling like $300 Ethereum, because I was looking at the bigger picture, not the medium term time frame, right? But can Ethereum push back up to $200? Absolutely, it can. But that's what I'm showing you right now. It's a macro level, like a 6 to 12 months, or like 8 to 18 months. Okay, not like 1 week, 2 weeks. When Ethereum pull back up 50%, you're gonna be like, oops, we're not going to $40. That's like a 6 to 18 month, guys. So you gotta be very patient, right? Very patient. Thanks a lot, Greg. Yeah, definitely. We're gonna talk about the micro level next on my next live stream. So guys, make sure to tune in for the next micro level. That's gonna be very interesting. Everything I told you yesterday, we're gonna go back to it and talk about it. I told you BTC pushing back up to 73.30, guys. We got rejected at 73.43, and target to the downside and everything. I'll give it to you guys. So quite interesting. All right. So let's move on to Bitcoin Cash, and then we're gonna talk about Ripple XRP. Bitcoin Cash, we don't have a lot of data for Bitcoin Cash, but the most probable price we could be looking for Bitcoin Cash for now is like a double bottom. Okay, a double bottom. Even Bitcoin Cash could be very bullish after this double bottom. We could still get this move, a very strong move to the upside, maybe like a 1 month, like a big bullish candle, just to get this correction before like a pushing even down to some lower numbers, like a joining Ethereum down like to $20 or so, right? But Bitcoin Cash, a very good buy. Anything below $100, it's a strong buy for Bitcoin Cash. Okay, that's the first time you hear that, right? Anything below $100, $100 to $80, not $100 to $80, but $80 to $100 is a very strong buy. Okay, very strong buy for Bitcoin Cash, for a possible very strong move of 4x to 5x. Okay, so just keep that in mind, right? Bitcoin Cash target below $100, but I'm looking for $60, right? $60, that's what I'm looking for. Bitcoin Cash, $60 Bitcoin Cash. But anything below $80, basically to $100, is a good buy. Okay, good accumulation area. Hey, what's up, Rubik? Make sure to hit the like, guys. You get the best analysis in crypto, one of the best analysis in crypto, giving you the moving averages, the candlesticks, the pattern, the Fibonacci, the volume. You get the combo, guys. You get everything at once. You don't get it piece by piece. Bitcoin breaking out today, Bitcoin crashing tomorrow. I'm giving it to you like the way it is, the way the chart is. Want you to see it. That's how I'm gonna tell it to you, guys. I'm giving you the story. I'm giving you the real story. All right, the real story, not the fake story, guys. So you can go back and save this playlist. I said it multiple times when BTC was 3100. You can go and watch all my any of my videos back in February and March. Just pick a video, any, okay, random. We've been pretty much very consistent, okay, very consistent about BTC. The price action of BTC 3100, we say BTC is going to 10k, right, guys? That's a 4x call. So if we call them all these coins to drop 4x, it's very, we're pretty much very consistent, So let's move on to the King XRP, right? XRP, beautiful setup, okay, beautiful setup, very aggressive. Can it break to the downside down to 14 cents? Absolutely, it can. But the chart is calling for a very strong move. Anything below 20 cents is a strong buy for Ripple XRP. Okay, anything. It's not a financial advice, right? Do not buy Ripple XRP if you don't believe if you don't believe in a project or you don't like it. Don't buy it, because I'm saying it's gonna pull back. All right, but anything, okay, below 21 cents, right, is a strong buy. All right, so Ripple XRP setup, we talked about it on the micro level. I'm looking for Ripple XRP to hold very strong in this area, anywhere between 21 cents to 19 cents. We hit 19 cents, so we have to include 19 cents now. We got a very strong pullback from 19 cents, right? 19 cents all the way up to 22. So now we're holding very strong It's going to take like a couple of weeks, probably a couple of months, before we see the strong move. But Ripple XRP can do crazy stuff sometimes. It can even give us a pullback tomorrow. So we at a very strong buy area for Ripple XRP. Okay, can it fail? Yes, it can absolutely fail and go all the way down to 14 cents, right? So, and I called 14 cents when Ripple was like, when we broke that 40 cents range, I was calling for 14 cents, right? Still, right? But if 21 cents holds, right, we got a chance to go all the way up and retest the area of $1.20 to 80 cents in this area, guys. That's the area I'm looking for. Depending on volatility, you cannot get like you cannot be picking like an exact number. So you just gotta give a range. But anyway, between above 80 cents is very, very possible. Okay, very possible. So we got 46 likes, guys. Make sure to share the content. Make sure to hit the like. Make sure to join our public Telegram group. If you want to upgrade to our premium member, make sure to do so. All right. But Ripple XRP, very strong buy, guys. Very strong buy. Not a financial advice. Any of these information, guys, not a financial advice. It's my own opinion. If you believe it, great. If you have an opposite of view, great. Publish it. I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna comment on it. So and stuff like that, right? So basically, we talk about BTC, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ripple XRP. We get all the we talked about all these prices. BTC down to $1,700, Ethereum $40, Litecoin $10, Bitcoin Cash $60, Ripple XRP a possible push to the upside first to 80 cents before dropping all the way down to this area. Okay, why am I looking for this area? All right, so why am I looking for this area? You can take a look at it, right? If you do the swing low to swing high, you can see, right, Ripple XRP. Next area we could be looking for, if we push back up to 80 cents, next area we're going to be looking for is like all the way down to like a 0.618. okay, if we get this pullback from the current price of 21 cents up to like 80 cents, next area we're going to be looking for is like almost like a 8 cents, guys. 6 cents to 8 cents. I know it is quite scary, but you gotta think about it. If we do not come back down and retest like a 14 cents and go up, most likely, okay, if we go up from like a 20 to 19 cents, we're not gonna stop at 14 cents. We're gonna go straight down to like a 5 to 6 cents. So either way you look at it, a big move is coming. It's like whether we're gonna get it from 21 cents or we're gonna get it from 14 cents. So that's a big question. But if like we go to like a 80 cents, we got to take profits and then try to accumulate down to like a 5 to 6 cents. I know most of you guys not gonna like that, but that's the way it is, guys. So even though I'm pretty bullish for the short term, medium term, but the long term, I'm extremely bearish on Ripple XRP. Okay, I'm extremely bearish on Ripple XRP. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind, guys. So the bullishness is great, but we gotta face reality. Okay, at the end of the day, if BTC is going to 1700, XRP gonna drop very low also. Okay, Litecoin, Ethereum, the total market cap of crypto could be way below like a 50 billion. Okay, way below 50 billion. So hey guys, just hit the like, man. We got 46 watching. I'm just gonna keep it very short. It's almost like 30 minutes. I just wanted you guys to get the whole combo, BTC, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple XRP, Bitcoin Cash in one video, macro level. You can watch it any given time, so you won't have to say whether Thin Crypto said it or not, right? Because I saw like some analysts like calling for $1,000. Absolutely yes, $1,000 BTC 0.618, but I'm not looking for that 0.618 yet. I'm looking for the 50% pullback first. Okay, and I said it almost over 3 months ago. 3 months ago, guys. 3 months ago. So okay guys, I'm just gonna call it a day, and then we basically I'm just gonna call it a day, and then we're gonna go live within the next few hours just for the micro level. talk about BTC like you know, a possible pull back to a mid 6K or low 6K before going all the way up to 8,800. All right, so most people are looking for 5,500, 5,700, but I'm telling you, the first week of December going to be incredible. Okay, it's going to be very, very, very incredible, very incredible. So we got 50 watching, including myself, of course, right? There is no way BC going to 1,700. Great. Zen, could you look at Zen? We're going to take a look at the micro level later on. You know, we're going to take a look at Zen, okay? We're going to take a look at Bitcoin Cash. XRP gonna go up, man. I'm talking about next bull run, not this bear market. I'm talking about all those big numbers, pretty much like the next bull market. The bull market has not started, guys, so we gotta be patient. Let's focus on the bear market first. All right. Hey, what's up, Spencer? I know it is hard to process, but guys, you gotta process it just like you process BTC going to 20K. You gotta process it, man. So if it goes up that fast, man, and you accepted it, if it goes down, if it is going down, you gotta accept it. So you gotta look at market both way, not like, oh, it has to go all the way up to like some crazy number. Markets don't work like that, okay? Nothing go up forever, guys. You gotta be mentally ready for this crazy number. I told you 14K, be ready. You gotta be mentally ready. Most of you guys been watching Send Crypto since like December. Okay, I told you we're gonna go up very high. Okay, after we hit 14K, I told you guys, you gotta be mentally ready. You gotta be mentally ready for some crazy numbers. Don't just think like market gonna be going up forever and then you're gonna be buying. It's gonna keep dropping, and you're gonna give up, right? So you better save your energy. The bear market has not even started. So better save your energy, man. Save the energy, guys. If you want to be a moon boy and then calling for 20K BTC every day, good. But you gotta face reality, man. We have to face reality, including myself, right? I want BTC to go to $100,000, right? Bitcoin Cash, how low? $60. Yeah, that's long term, guys. That's not, I don't expect it this December or like a January, February. You know, it could be like at least like 6 to 12 months. Let's say within the next 12 to 6 months. Okay, it could be. We could drop half after the halving. That's what most people don't think. Okay, most people think like we're gonna pump to the upside after the halving. Like when backed, I gave you a big warning. I told you backed gonna dump BTC. Most of you guys were saying backed gonna pump BTC to 20K, 40K. I told you guys backed gonna dump BTC. The CMA dump BTC. The whales, they don't think in like they don't project price action like in like a 2 month, like a 6 month, stuff like that. They project everything over a year, right? So that's why, like, you know, I'm not even like very excited about the halving, because I know the Bitcoin price going to be cut half. Okay, just like Litecoin, guys. So don't fall for that. Okay, you gotta open up your mind, be open-minded, and know even if BTC goes to 20K, most of you guys not gonna sell it, right? Because on average, most of us don't hold like more than 1 BTC, right? If it goes to 20K, most of us not gonna sell it. Okay, 100K, most of us not even gonna wait for 100K. We're gonna sell at 50K, thinking like 50K gonna be the top, right? So what, after you sell at 50K, what do you expect? You're just gonna start looking for cheaper prices, and BTC gonna keep going up, right? So be open-minded, man. Open-minded. Hey, what's up, Peter? What's up, Jackson? D-Tech. Thanks a lot, D-Tech. All right, guys. I think like Aaron, what's up, Aaron? We're gonna talk about BTC. Make sure to come back on our next live stream about the micro level, the short-term price action, right? Maybe you read my title wrong. That's why, about the 5500 BTC. $1,700 is the long term. 5,500. We're gonna talk about that, man. I'm pretty accurate with my call. So you bought BTC at $100. You didn't keep it long. Good. Yeah, the Chololo line is at, you know, the Chololo line. We're gonna talk about it on the micro level. Okay, I don't want to include anything like on the micro level, right? So, and I will tell you why I'm expecting BTC even like to drop to 1,700, because the Chololo line, when BTC was tapping at 20K, the Chololo line was like a 1,650 to 1,700. So we can get the inverse relationship between the Chololo. They're flipping back and forth. Chololo going all the way up maybe to 20,000. BTC going to 1,600. So that's very possible. I talked about that scenario yesterday, and we're gonna talk about it later on, right? $1,700 BTC is insane. Yep, K4W. You bought your first BTC at 1830. You're most likely gonna buy it at the 1704 again. Thanks a lot, K4. Hey, what's up, EOS? Nick EOS. 3B in the house. BU in the house. Mr. BU. Thanks a lot, Mr. BU. All right, Shazu. We're gonna take a look at NEBLIO later on. Just make sure to ask me on our next live stream. Caesar. Hey, what's up, Caesar? Thank you for joining in. Joining our premium member. He joined yesterday. What happened after 1,700? That's when the 100x BTC gonna come. Okay, I'm gonna save that, guys. When we hit 1,700, we're gonna talk about it. Make sure to save this live stream, so to just remind me once we hit once we hit like even 2K, we're gonna start talking about the move to the upside. We're not even gonna wait for because we always give you the bigger picture like a 3 to 4 months ahead, like everybody. You know, when BTC pushed to the upside a couple weeks ago, last month, because you know I was calling for that move, right? Okay, so I wasn't surprised at all, because October 23rd, I was saying BTC gonna go up 30, 40, 50% to the upside, right? So I wasn't surprised. I just wanted to catch it at 69, right? It didn't drop below 7K, but I wanted to catch it at 69, right? And then get this 40% move. We didn't get it, right? We didn't get the chance. But this one, right? A big one is also coming at some point right here, 88 to 8,500. So 50 of you watching, right? So if you 50 of you watching right now, so make sure to be ready for that big move to the upside, and don't get fooled, okay? It's not going to be the bull run, okay? It's not going to be the bull run, right? It's coming. The big question is how low we just going to drop in this area, okay? Roughly around but I'm gonna save that for later. I'm gonna save it for later, right? I'm gonna save it. Hey, what's up, Gary? All right, guys. We catch up later in an hour or so. We're gonna go for another live stream for the micro level. All right, guys. Thank you for watching.